What is this?
Takeoff. Now Takeoff looks kind of like it looks kind of like him because he's got those big eyes. He's got that look, you know what I'm saying? But you can pick that structure and then pick that right there so his cheekbones can stick out because that's how he looks. And then none. And that's the color skin. He's a little lighter, I think, in my opinion. I don't know. Hairstyle. I mean, it's not his hairstyle, but that's the only thing we got, like, you know. So you can change it. It's up to you, but you pick that one. Eyebrows, those. It's got some thick ones, and then that. Like I said, pause the video, take the stats, and then eyes are those. You know, he's got those eyes. Copy that right there, and then right nose, got that one right there. Position. There you go. Let me know if I did a good job on these. Let me know if they really look close to the Migos, cause I don't know. I feel like they do. Position, all right, and then the color. I'm gonna pick that color for the lips. And yep. There you go. And what else? Facial hair. He does have a little goatee. I'll pick that, and then color. And then what else? He does have a tat. He does have a tat. So he has a tat right there. That's the face tattoo. He has a tattoo right above his eyebrow. So like I said, the mole is the closest thing with the tats. So there you go. There's the mole. Glasses. I want to pick the see-through ones so you can see his big eyes. That's how he mainly has them. Be rocking those see-through ones. And position, color, you can pick any color. Honestly, any color goes good. I pick red. This is the Migos.
Fresh out the bed, can out the dead. Hop out the bed and I'm counting them faces. I jump out the whip and them bitches start fighting no 20s or 50 jet bitches.